Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on my Civic's headlights. We're going to be retrofitting all of the chrome out and also adding some halos.
Yes, sir, skis.
We're going to start by deleting all of the chrome on the headlights and we're going to black everything out. Then we're going to add a pair of halos that are Bluetooth controlled onto them. And you guys will see what it looks like once we're done. So right now we're taking off the clips for the bumper. There's just like a bunch of clips surrounding it. You just gotta pop it all off with a screwdriver. Or you have a trim remover, you can do that too. But we're just gonna use a screwdriver because we're broke. We're undoing all the harnesses for the headlights, and we're gonna remove all the bolts. There we go. Oh, there's more. there's a fourth one. Right here though. Alright, sick. Now we got it. Look at that. But yeah, we got the headlights done. Now we're gonna take them apart and we'll show you guys the finishing stuff when we bring them back. But yeah. Push through. Is it working?
Alright, don't move.
You got it?
No one move.
Yeah, see it.
There you go.
I think that power. Nice. Nice.
Oh,
Alright. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this to work.
Actually, our facility is the one that you can find that. If you're in pack,
Yeah, I mean, sometimes I'm on an intersection and I let it pop a little bit and I look to the right, fucking police officer, I'm like, oh shit. But I mean, I don't think they're gonna stop me, you know, I'm a slow Civic, you know? I'm a baby Civic. What are they gonna do?
fit check.
Fit check.
My asshole.
Fit check. Ooh.
My asshole.
Look, watch this fit check. Stick your feet out. Watch. No, you.
Oh shit.
Like this. Like point them towards me. Point them towards me like you're like chilling. Yeah. Watch this fit check. Fit check. Dude, that was it.
Hell yeah.
That was it.
Oh, dude.
Yo, chill out, bro.
Making his lights look greasy.
Damn, this shit's clean.
They're on the main ones. I want to see the demon eyeballs, bro.
I'm trying. Let's see if it works.
I'll turn it off.
Oh yeah, do nice. Oh, it's working.
Look at this. This is the start of the car group. Jamari? Probably the other shit in the world.
Hey.
Not fuck this.
Hey.
What's up, boy? What's up?
That looks good on camera, dude.
Let me hop in it, Hey, 3 a.m. All the Civics.
Alright, adventure time with John. So right now, we're just bringing this to our other house. This fucker. Okay. We're just gonna put it inside now.
羽ばたいた